In today's video I'll show you how to uninstall a game on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, find the game you want to delete. If you don't see it, scroll all the way to the right to open the Show More page. Once you've found the game and you're on it, press the plus button on the controller. Then scroll down to Data Management and choose Delete Software, but you might want to read the information below this first. Save data for the game shouldn't be deleted. After choosing Delete Software, you have the option to keep the home icon, and then once you're happy, you can confirm the deletion of the game. That's how to uninstall a game on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.